Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's VECHAIN update for Saturday 8th of January. And if you guys are not on Discord, guys, join us on the Discord. We actually have a section of VECHAIN as well. People love to talk about VECHAIN here, okay? We have a lot of the community as well, and this is where I'm also posting the updates. So if you don't want to miss any updates of VECHAIN as well, if you're new, join the Discord anyways. Now, talking about VECHAIN as well, I actually updated today about Bitcoin. And has VECHAIN bottomed out here? Is this the end of it? And it's really hard to still say that you're gonna go all the way down, because of course, to go down you actually have to look at Bitcoin. And Bitcoin right now might have bottomed out nearly the $40,000 level. And one more thing about VECHAIN as well, I'm going to tell you right now, is that I want to dive into the monthly time frame. And I noticed on the monthly we could have an inverted hammer, and I'm going to show you this one very quickly. Look at that. So on the monthly time frame, I'm just going to hide the EMAs here, and yeah, actually bring in the 20 and hide this one. All right, the 10. Cool. So here we are. So the 20 EMA, let's just say one thing. Go to the monthly time frame right here, okay? See on the top there, click the monthly time frame. And one thing that I just want to tell you, it doesn't matter which coin you have. Is it VECHAIN? Is it Dogecoin? Any chain that you want to talk about, if they lose the 20 EMA, then that's it. Then you're actually going to go for the bear market when you lose the 20. And in my opinion, it has beautifully bounced off the 20. Do you see that? It has actually bounced off the 20, just like that. And that's exactly what you want to see. Last time it actually came down to the 20. Look what happened. You bounced off it, and then the next month it turned green. I don't think VECHAIN is done. I still think you are at the very bottom. It's still not losing the structure for us to go for the bear market. Now, what I'm going to tell you, this is still a good news, and this still means that this would be a very good entry right at this price level right now, because this could be a bottom. Yes, at the moment that I'm talking about, this could be a bottom. And I know this is going to take a lot of time. I know it has been sinking all the way down, but I'm still bullish on it, regardless of what people think, regardless of what people are saying, that oh, it's a crappy project, it doesn't have any future, and this and that. I don't care, man. I'm just gonna zoom out, and I'm gonna wait for that fifth wave. Is it gonna happen? I don't care, man. I don't care. I know what I'm doing. I know my investments really good. Is it not gonna happen? It's fine. I'm gonna lose it. Simple put. Now basically you're still in an uptrend. Look, you came here for a touch, you went up. You came here for another touch, nearly, you went up, and then again you came near the 20. You're still safe. Okay, you're still safe. So now one more thing is that this candlestick as well. So the two positive things about it, two good things about this one, is that the 20 EMA is actually supporting it. But there's one more thing to talk about as well. 23 days is left to close this candlestick. And if this candlestick, there's two scenarios that can happen. Number one scenario is you just go back up to nearly 12 cents and you make something known as a bullish hammer, and that will still mean that February you're going to continue to the upside. The second scenario is you close just like that and you make an inverted hammer, and that would also still mean that you're bullish. Now let me show you both the patterns right now. So I'm gonna tell you the bullish engulfing, right, candlestick, the bullish engulfing candlestick, just like that. And this is what I'm talking about. So you have that red bearish candlestick pattern, and then you have the green candlestick pattern right here. And that's something that you can expect, that if VECHAIN goes to the 12 cents like this and crosses just like that, you might make this bullish engulfing. That's the first scenario. The second scenario is inverted hammer candlestick, and let me show you this one. So basically what you're gonna do is you have nearly something like this one. Actually, as a matter of fact, do you see this image? Yes, you see that it actually acts like an inverted hammer. It can also be read. And when you see an inverted hammer, just like this one, that means reversal is upon us. So if this one ends up like an inverted hammer, that reversal is gonna be actually upon us as well. And that's actually very, very good. I just want to actually open up the Heikinashi bars, and right now this is a little bit bearish on the Heikinashi. I do recognize basically right now this that you see here is a little bit of a bearish bar. Okay, it doesn't still mean that it's gonna go up, but on the regular candles, the normal candles, that has a decision left to be made in the next 23 days, and that's really, really important. But now the fact that it has bounced off the 20, I'm quite confident on VECHAIN that this is your bottom right there. And as a matter of fact, you're also respecting the trend line. You haven't lost the trend line as well. So the structure is still there. The structure is still there. And yes, guys, I do make daily updates, and yesterday is a different story. Today's a different story. And if I find a new readings on the chart, I'm actually gonna update you about those readings. That's just what I like to do on the channel. Every single day, I'm just gonna be checking it out. Can tomorrow be a different story? It could. Just come back tomorrow if we have anything changing on the charts, because the charts, when you're trading, you have to keep in mind that the charts change every single time, and they flip all the time, and then you have to change along with the chart. So nothing is guaranteed by the end of the day. And then from here, let's see what it does. Let's see if we can lose the trend line and lose the 20. Then unfortunately we are gonna dump very, very badly right now. But to me, since we're respecting the 20 EMA on the monthly, that's absolutely positive and right bang on the money. So that's it for today's VECHAIN update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.